Welcome to the kitchen. It's World Chocolate Day. What better recipe to do than our 3-ingredient chocolate mousse? So let's not hang around any longer. Let's get into the kitchen and get cooking with some chocolate. That's right, a 3-ingredient chocolate mousse. We've got 300 millilitres of double cream, which I've whisked to a soft peak. We've got 150 grams of chocolate, and we've got 20 grams of icing sugar. So what we'll do to start with is we'll put the chocolate into a microwavable container, making sure we get all of it, and we'll put just about a tablespoon or two of cream in there as well. That can go into the microwave. We're going to put that on for 30 seconds and gently melt it 30 seconds at a time until it's completely melted. With the icing sugar, this can just be sprinkled over the cream, and we'll start to stir this in to fully incorporate it. So now if we check the chocolate, we can see it started to melt, but it's not fully melted yet. So we'll put that in for another 30 seconds. And just make sure that all of the sugar is incorporated. It doesn't matter that we've got a dirty spatula because it's all going to be going in one anyway. What we need to be careful of as well is to not actually overwork the cream too much because we don't want it to split. So that's had 20 seconds there, which I think should be enough. And yet we can see that the chocolate has all melted. So we'll just give this a stir just to cool it down a little bit. We can put this into the cream. We'll do it kind of half and half. Stir that around. Make sure that it's all fully mixed in. Now we can put the other half, making sure we get as much of that chocolate as possible. Mix that round, scraping the sides down to make sure that we incorporate all of the chocolate with all of the cream. And with this now, because we've put the warm chocolate into the cream, it's slightly warm cream, which isn't necessarily the nicest. So if we put that in the fridge now for half an hour or so to cool down and to firm up, it'll be absolutely delicious. So here we have our mousse that's been in the fridge for around about half an hour or so. It's firmed up quite a lot. And if we take a spoon that's been in some hot water, we can do a quick rocher of mousse. It won't be perfect, but that doesn't matter too much. And then alongside the rocher of mousse, if we take a strawberry, if you've got a metal drinking straw or a tough plastic one, then from the tip of the strawberry, if you just push the straw through, you can take the stem out. We can serve that on the side. And there we have our 3-ingredient chocolate mousse. Super easy to make, takes no time at all, so why don't you give it a go? Let me know in the comments down below what fruit you'd put next to your chocolate mousse. And while you're down there, if you like this video, then please hit that like button, subscribe if you like the videos, and I'll see you again next time.